happens. All the pipes Well, we're on an island right now. It's about a 15-minute drive out from Abbott Launch. Yeah, bring all of our supplies out in the boat. Well, customer put a new septic in. They just had a gray water system before. Tied onto there, they stepped out a pipe right here. It was 4-inch. Pushed it down to 3-inch. Actually reduced it. See? Reduced it down to 3-inch. Long sweep 90. Ran it up towards the house. Put our clean out. Stubbed it up right here. Future use if need be. Brought it into the crawl space down here and basically piped up a new kitchen sink that goes far back, and then we got a new bathroom piped up with the wet vent group on this left-hand side over here. Yeah, and just in the process of finish tying this 3-inch in right here for the main. And yeah, and then we got a new toilet inside, and we got a stub up through the roof. We got this metal roof that we gotta stub up through. Electrician's coming out today. Got this ran for them, dug in.
So what you're saying is, no matter, ASP will hook you up.
Exactly, wherever you are, wherever you need help, we're here.
By air, by land. We haven't got to by air yet, but
Yeah, not quite to the by air yet. You know,
But-
we're working on it. Yeah, they pay for my license, flying license. I'll go do it, but
no road, no problem.